if this is a scary night, and it's loud thunder, and you guys are going to be hearing it a lot during this video. So yeah. So just listen to the thunder. Just listen to it. Rain. It should be thundering. Well, it is thundering. Just I don't know if you guys can hear it. I think you guys can hear the rain. That was lightning. I think you guys saw that. See? So if you're scared, I am.